In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can calculate median in Microsoft Excel. For this, we have some demo data and we are going to calculate the median. For column A, you can see some data 1, 2, 3 and we are going to calculate median for this column. So, in this cell, enter equal, then write median. Now you can see some suggestion from Excel. Enter tab, the number, and this is our number, and close the bracket. Enter. Here this is our median because 1, 2, 3 is counted value. We don't count any blank values in Microsoft Excel. So 1, 2, 3 and the median value is 2. And now for this column B, we are going to enter equal, then write median again, then tab, then select this range and close the bracket. Press enter. Now you can see the median is 2, but you can say that in this column the median is not 2 because the median value would be between 1 and 2, but it is showing that 2 because this cell is rounded. So we just minded that this should not be rounded. So we are going to unround this. For this, we are going there and clicking this. And now you can see the median value is 1.50, which is between 1 and 2. This is correct. And this is how you can easily calculate median value in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching the video.